Hi, this is George. I have summarized all the properties for sale near Tagaytay. Para pag pumunta sila and you check all the properties near Tagaytay, you have an idea already how much yung price range. At the same time, you can compare it already. Because what I'm gonna show you is yung mga comparison each project. Okay, so we'll start. Veronia is located along Santa Rosa Tagaytay Highway. Camellia Silang is along Aguinaldo Highway. Camellia Alta Silang is also in Aguinaldo Highway. Camellia Alfonso, First Park Homes Batulao, and Sabela Village located along Amadeo Tagaytay Road. Now, in terms of accessibility, ano yung project na yung pinakamalapit sa Tagaytay? And the winner is Camellia Silang. So this is only 3 minutes away from Tagaytay Rotonda. So kung naghahanap kayo na pinakamalapit talaga sa commercial areas in Tagaytay, so Camellia Silang yung available. In terms of ready for occupancy or lipat agad, ano yung may available pa ng mga RFO units or pwede na lipatan agad. And the winner is again Camellia Silang. Now, pinakamalapit na project from your workplace, let's say BGC or Makati. Yung project name is Camellia Alta Silang. And then soon to open yung Cavite Laguna Expressway toll gate within the area lang din ng Camellia Alta Silang. Pinakamalaking lot size na available for sale, Camellia Alfonso. We have corner lot which is 212 square meters. Property na malapit sa Nasugbu Beach at the same time Tagaytay. First Park Homes Batulao. So 36 minutes away lang siya from Nasugbu Beach and 20 minutes away from Sky Ranch Tagaytay. The only project which offers bungalow house. Again, First Park Homes Batulao, they have Brenna model for only 3.4. Project na malapit sa Nuvali and Tagaytay. The name of the project is Veronia. Pinakamalaking floor area available for sale. Again, that is Veronia Luciana model. 176 square meter yung floor area. It is a 4-bedroom house with 4 toilet and bath for only 9.4 million. Pinakamurang project na malapit sa Tagaytay. The name of the project is Sabela Village. They have Aliyah townhouses for only 2.2 million. Calista single attached with a 4-bedroom house for only 3.9 million. And pwede pa siya i-loan through Pag-ibig financing. And the major highlight is that this is the only project na mayroong ecotourism park, man-made lake for boating and fishing area. So this is Sabela Village. So the projects that I've mentioned, these are all available for bank financing and Pag-ibig loan financing. Alright, so for more information about properties near Tagaytay, please follow this page para mag-guide ko sila. Alright, thank you.